It's just a short movie showing you how to access the parent conference bookings. So go to the website, go to the parent portal, log in as you would normally log into the parent portal, and then it'll bring you to a page where you'll see a button saying MIS Parent Teacher Conferences. Once you click on there and you have a kid in early childhood, you'll see that the conference is up and ready for bookings. There are 2 days for bookings, the 1st and the 2nd of February. If you want to make a booking for the 2nd, for example, once you click on it, you see the child's name and the teachers that are scheduled for appointments. Then you go click on book appointments and you'll see the green slots are the free slots. So I'm going to book just here for Miss Skinner and here for Miss McLaren, and then that's the booking complete. And then all fine, that'll be emailed to your email. And if you click, you can just check it there. You can make amendments if you want to. But you click here to view a summary, and you can see the summary of the appointments. You can amend bookings up there. You can print them. They automatically get sent to your email. Thanks very much. I hope that's helpful. Good luck making your bookings.